In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed Google Maps in Framer, a tool popular amongst designers looking to create interactive high-fidelity mockups for web and mobile applications. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is locate the Insert option that's usually positioned somewhere within the toolbar in your working environment. As you click on it, a search bar will pop up. This is where you'll have to enter the term Embed. This search bar is specifically for locating specific options or functionality within the Framer application. Once you've entered the term Embed, you will see the Embed element appear in the dropdown or the list of options below the search bar. Now comes the fun part. Click and hold the Embed element with your mouse. While holding it, move your cursor to the part of your design where you want the Google Map to appear, and then drop it there. With this action, you've essentially indicated to Framer where you want your Google Map to be embedded. Now, double-click on the embed that you've placed in your design. On double-click, a panel should show up. Be sure not to rush this part as this panel contains important options for the embed. This is also where you'll input the critical information for the Google Maps embedding process. Next, just paste your embed code into this panel. This code is something you can get from Google Maps for the specific location you want to feature. You would typically find this by searching for your location on Google Maps, selecting the Share option, and then opting for Embed. Here's a handy tip. Always ensure that the embed code is within an iframe tag. This iframe tag basically enables the website to create a sort of frame within the web page for another HTML document, which in this case is the Google Map from Google servers. And voila! You've just embedded Google Maps in Framer. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. You can always make adjustments or start all over again. This wonderful feature can add a whole new level of functionality and interactivity to your web or app designs. Happy designing!